Nope. Nothing now.
Huh?
I was going to take a picture.
I swear, I've done nothing but gain weight since I moved to Michigan.
Part of that might be because you're pregnant, dear.
Part of it. The other part is because people are always looking.
Now she's just looking at Jay instead of me.
She's so mad. She's like, what's your name? I know you spit up on you, but it's
That's okay. Come here, sweetie.
Grab a hot box.
That is okay with
Did you wash your hands? That is a mullet.
I did wash my hands.
That's a minus the curl mullet. Check it out. My bro had a mullet. That's sad. It's a good mullet, though. It's a good mullet. This is the brother that would never talk to me because, you know, you're related to dad, so I don't want to talk to you. See how you talk to me.
Is this not comfortable for you? And she ain't doing anything good.